If you're not comfortable with something, just mention it to me.
Yeah.
Keep this one nice and straight. There we go. Just roll right into me. Good. On your back. Good. So we're going to reset his whole nervous system here. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Did you feel a little movement there?
A little bit.
Not too much on you?
No, not too much.
Good job. Did you feel all that move?
Yes.
Yeah. It's like there's some concrete. Can you breathe?
Yeah.
A little better, isn't it?
Yeah.
So those lock up, that interferes with that nerve function flow there. Comfortable with everything that I'm doing so far?
Yes.
Main body of the sternum. Now I'm going to do some of the ribs for him. We're going to elevate some of his breath area. I want you to just take a breath, bring it down toward the belly, all the way down, all the way down. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to try to lift my hand up with your breath. So bring it in. So bring it here, right here.
Okay.
Tummy. There. Let it out. The breath comes down here though when you bring it in. There. You look like Buddha. Buddha goes like this, right?
Yeah.
So the breath, you're forcing it in there. That's going to change all this here.
Okay.
You feel good?
Yeah.
You can get in here more than you do. I'm happy to help you.